Hello and welcome to the Easy English Football Club YouTube channel. My name is Andrew, and on this YouTube channel I help you improve your English without grammar and without memorization, simply by listening and consuming to interesting soccer stories from around the world that use high frequency English words and vocab. I will read an article in American English at normal speech rate, and hopefully with listening and consuming this and reading the words, seeing the vocab, you can improve your English as well. So let's begin. The big soccer match between Real Madrid and Atlético Madrid happened yesterday. It was a very exciting game. The score was 1-1 at the end. Atlético Madrid scored first with a penalty kick in the first half. The goal was by Julián Álvarez. Then, in the second half, Real Madrid's star Kylian Mbappe scored to make it even. The match was at the Santiago Bernabéu, which is Real Madrid's home. There was a lot of talk about the referees because of some controversial decisions. Real Madrid's players tried very hard to win, but couldn't. Atlético Madrid played well defensively. Both teams are fighting for first place in the league. The match was very important for the league standings. Many fans watched and talked about it on social media. It was a tough game with lots of action. This result keeps the race for the championship very close. So, hopefully, this little video about Real Madrid and Atlético Madrid helped you. There's a lot of high-frequency English words in that article. Feel free to pause, look back at some of the words, follow along, listen to my English, and in 2 minutes or less, you can improve your English with interesting soccer stories from around the world on the Easy English Football Club YouTube channel.